We're now down at the far end of Oyster Harbour, getting on to where Emu Point is, and just near there is the Marina. It's changed a bit over the years, and we were back up that way at the boat ramp, made our way down here. Pleasant little area, and just further along to my right is Emu Point. So we'll just have a little wander around the marina and get some footage. And you've got some boat ramps down here for launching. And that is Emu Point, directly in front of me now. I'll take a wander down there in a minute. And this is the small channel where Oyster Harbour comes out into the sea. And leads out into King George Sound over there. You can see the commercial shipping comes in here to Albany port. Come along from Emu Point to Middleton Beach. This is one of the better known beaches in Albany, mostly because of its long white sandy nature. So we'll just have a little look around here and show you what this area is like. We're about to go around that hill to have a look at King George Sound from the lookout, and then head up to the top where there is apparently another lookout that I haven't been to for a very, very long time, and have a look back out over the town of Albany. This, I assume, is a surf life-saving building that's right on the beach here. Looks like it may be still under construction, as they've still got all the fences around it. So from here, which is the King George Sound lookout, we're looking back down towards Middleton and further out to Emu Point, where we were just now, and up behind that is Oyster Harbour, and you can see the little channel that comes through to the sea. Panning across to my right, where we're going to get a bit of wind in the microphone, is King George Sound. And further on to my right is the entrance to Princess Royal Harbour. A little bit further down along the coast here, there's the old lighthouse. I think it's a lighthouse keeper's quarters, something like that. I did take some pictures of that before, so I'll insert a shot or two of that. And we'll just pop down and take a little bit of footage off to the right hand side here. There's walk trails that will take you down along the coast there, and there's some old World War II military buildings hidden away in the scrub. Again, I'll insert some of the pictures we took earlier when we walked down there on another trip. A memorial to Turkish leader, what was his name, Ataturk or something like that, I think, and a little statue to the French explorer Baudin, I think Baudin, something like that. My French pronunciation is not great. So you have this nice big deep natural harbour here, and the ships come in, anchor up here, and then move into the harbour to pick up whatever goods are awaiting collection. And we are about to head round that side. There is apparently a lookout somewhere on the top of this hill. There is also what used to be called Princess Royal Fort. I think they've changed the name now, and that's where the Anzac Centre is, on top of the hill. We've been through all that area before and had a look at the old gun emplacements and that. There's definitely a lot of old World War II military emplacement stuff around this area. But we'll head up to the lookout now and give you a view of, I believe you can see the town pretty well from there. Okay, we've come up to the Desert Mounted Corps Memorial. And finally we get to the top. This is a bit of a walk, but you do get a good view of the fact that here's the port down here. This is Princess Royal Harbour, I think they call it, from memory. And you've got that small channel here, and that's where the big ships come through to the port. Bit surprising really, isn't it, to get those big old ships coming through there, but it's I assume they must dredge it or something like that. But there is King George Sound, and way off to my left behind the shrubbery there is Emu Point. If you've got the energy, there is something behind there. I'm not really sure if there's another lookout. I might just wander up there. It's a shame to come up here and miss out if there is something further. There's a path going off to the right there. There's a pretty decent road coming up here, but and a set down area so that I assume people that can't make the walk up can come and see the memorial, but not for general parking unfortunately. So everyone else can do what I did, get off your bum and have a walk.